What is up, comic creators? I am going to do a quick tutorial here on how to make an evil voice. Now I've got my villain here, my evil villain, super evil looking, can't you tell? But I'm going to show you how I can edit my voice recording. I'll give you a sample of that right here.
Yeah, you better pet me, because if you don't pet me, I'm gonna pee on everything in the...
Yeah, so you get it. Very silly, but hey, it works. That's how it works. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to turn that into an evil voice here for our dog. But you click on the sound bar, then you click on the voice effects icon. And when you click on the voice effects icon, that's going to pull up all your different effects. Every time you click on an effect in here, it will autoplay your footage to give you an example of what that effect will sound like. And so in this one, like if I just go deep and I click the deep,
Better pet me, because if you don't pet me, I'm gonna pee on everything in the house.
Now normally that would be good. That sounds pretty evil. However, since I have a small dog here and I want to make it sound like an evil little dog, I think I might do the high.
Yeah, you better pet me, because if you don't pet me, I'm gonna pee on everything in the house.
Yep. Yep. And so with that, when you have that selected, you can actually click the pause button to stop it if you need to edit it. But then now I can like edit the pitch and play it again.
Yeah, you better pet me, because if you don't pet me, I'm gonna pee.
So yeah, you get that point. You can edit the pitch again, and every time you do that, it auto plays.
Yeah, you better pet me.
So you gotta just shut it off. But now you're getting the point. I think I like that. You click the check mark, and so now that adds that edit in there. So now my voice recording in there is actually edited to match that pitch, within the clip.
You better pet me, because if you don't pet me, I'm gonna pee on everything in the house.
So stupid, but anyways, yeah, you get the point. I'm just trying to show you a point. I am not a voice actor, as you can tell, but that is how you can edit that voice and make it sound like an evil little dog. Now let's say you actually change your mind and you want to go back in and click your voice again, and you like want to remove it. Click voice effects, click the cross out circle in the top left corner, and then it goes back to normal. Click check mark, and now you've completely erased your voice edit effects. Guys, that was a quick tutorial on how to make an evil voice for your evil villain here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you later.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, comet creators. End transmission.